Well, we have just just over a minute here. A couple minutes to go before that news breaks. Hang on. If you're not in a trade, you shouldn't be in a trade. Just hang on. Now, right now, we really don't have any idea of what direction the market's going to go. Let's see what the bond traders do right before the news breaks. We'll see if they get any idea. See if they sell off or they start trading higher. If they sell off, that just shows you, remember, the bond traders always trade in the opposite to the market. So if they're selling off, you kind of expect them to think that this is going to be a big number. And definitely tradable for us. So we've just got just over a minute before you put on your trade. Hang on. You can see they're selling off now, telling you they're getting out of the market in advance of that news because they don't know what direction that news is going to take them. And unfortunately, because this is Good Friday, everything else is down, so we really can't do anything except trade whatever the bond traders are doing. We don't have any other solution here. Okay, coming down to the last few seconds. Get ready. They should end off their downward swing here. Should be ending off just a moment. Hang on. Again, we don't know what direction the market's going to go. We have no idea. Right now they're sitting at the pivot there. You can see they're bouncing off that pivot, so they're in wait mode too. So I said the downward swing would end off. They hit the pivot, they're stopped on a dime, as you would expect them to do. And they're holding, just like we're holding. Got another just a few seconds here. Go put your trade on now if you want. Get ready. And there she goes. Nice trading. Nice trading. Whoa, that thing ran all the way up. Must not be a good number. Must not be the number that was being expected. They expected like 200,000 jobs were made. But then again, so many of those jobs were going to be census jobs. And it came all the way back down. Now you might get a trade coming all the way back down here. You know, watch it. Not only did we get that run up, but you know, may get another trade coming in the opposite direction and running right back down. Let's see if we get a trade like that. Coming right back down. Now that they've run it all the way up, you know how it is. Now they've looked at the numbers, they're starting to analyze the data, now you're going to get the true direction for the market. So hang on, you don't have it yet, it's still flat. But you see it's starting to downtrend, there she goes. Look, didn't I say you're going to get some kind of a downtrend as well? And why? They're analyzing the data, and it's not as bad as they thought it was, and there's your nice trade coming right back down. Alright, gotta love it. Gotta love Unemployment Day. That's our favorite day of the month, Unemployment Day. That's where you get to capitalize on trading, make a lot of ticks real fast. Now, you're not going to be able to trade any more today because it's Good Friday, so it's over. I mean, that's it. This is all you got. You know, now you've done it. Now you can get out of the market because nothing else is going to happen. It's all going to come to an end because the market's closed. The New York Stock Exchange is already closed. We're only looking at what the bond traders are doing. That's why we're able to trade this because, you know, here in Shadowtraders, we teach you how to trade the bond market. Now, you go on the internet, you look for companies, they'll never teach you how to trade the bond market and how to trade the treasuries. You'd have to be, you know, some guy in Chicago to get that information. But because we know what we're doing and we're willing to exchange with you and tell you that information, sure enough, we got you this nice trade. So, be glad that you found the Shadowtraders.